Hello everybody, this is Steve, your everyday guy, and on today's video we're going to talk about the twisties. Now some of you may know this about me, some of you may not. I'm from the great state of Kansas. I love living in Kansas, amazing people, friendly, wouldn't trade it for nothing. However, I also love to ride motorcycles, and riding motorcycles through Kansas does leave a little bit to be desired, so to speak. The reason is that Kansas has some amazingly straight roads, and I mean straight. You may go for miles and not hit a single turn. And when you finally do hit that one turn, it's very slight, like, oh, I get a lean, it's so exciting. Well, that's what I thought I was limited to until I found an amazing little secret in Kansas that I'm pretty sure that none of you know about. And so before I tell you, go ahead and hit that like and hit that subscribe button, because as I find out these little secrets and gems, I want to share them with you, and I want you to get notified. And also, you're going to watch the video because I know you want to know where this road is. Make sure and share it with your friends. Don't share it yet. I want you to know what you're sharing. So watch the whole video, watch it through to the end, and then share it with your friends. And so most of you think that riding through Kansas looks like this. And to be honest, that's what most of riding through Kansas does look like. However, I found an amazing area. It's called Leavenworth State Fishing Lake, and there it is. Now take a look at that route. Look at all those twisty roads. So this route is 2 miles. It's short. It's 2 miles, but it's 2 wonderful miles of Kansas. And you'll notice all those curves, 19, at least 19 curves in 2 miles. That is a twisty. That's an official twisty. In fact, I'm going to go so far as I'm going to name this Tail of the Baby Dragon. That's right. I'm bold enough. I'm doing it. What do you think? Write down in the comments after you watch the video. You think we can claim this is the baby tail of the dragon? Don't get me wrong. I know it's not the tail of the dragon. Not really a tail of the dragon. But let's call it the baby tail of the dragon. 2 miles, 19 twisties. It's a great little ride. So before we get into that, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how this area of Kansas differs from the rest of it. During the last ice age, ice came down and actually eroded this part of Kansas, the very northeastern tip, and it stripped off all the top layers down to the limestone. And so what this is this is a little limestone ravine that drives through. So it goes, winds its way down. We're going to go across it down and kind of get a couple turns up after it. I mean, it is a fun little ride. If you're in the area, if you're looking for a twisty, if you're yearning to tilt that bike, you got to check it out. Now, don't take my word for it. I actually recorded it. It's my first time. I'll admit my camera work does need some improvement. But hey, watch the video and tell me what you think. All right, everybody, you saw it. It's amazing. Share it with your friends. I know it's not the tailed dragon. I know it's not the road you get in Colorado. I know it's not the road you get in Arkansas. But it's an amazing road for Kansas. For those of you that live in Kansas, share with your friends. Let them know, hey, we got to go check this out. Yeah, it's short. It's the baby tail of the dragon. I named it. It's starting. So years from now, and it's officially called the baby tail of the dragon. I'm the guy that started it. I want it right now. Here in 2025, I started it. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you haven't liked and subscribed, do it now. You watched the video. You loved it. You shared it with your friend. This is Steve, your everyday guy. I love riding motorcycles, enjoying the road, and I hope to see you guys out there. Until next time, stay safe.